Hi. Today I am going to make a how-to video, which is how to ride a motorcycle. The first thing you want to do is get to know your motorcycle. So, here are the basics. Here is the clutch, the throttle, front brake, rear brake, kickstart, and shifter. So, the beginning. How to start up your motorcycle. Well, if your bike has an electric start, then you just press down the clutch or pop it into neutral and press the start button. But my bike doesn't have that. I have to put the kickstand out, kickstart, and what you do is you get on the bike, check if it's in neutral. If it's rolling, then it's in neutral. If it's not rolling, then it's in gear. It's in neutral. And you kick the kickstart down. And maybe even give it a little bit of throttle to start it. And how to shift gears? Well, to shift into first gear, you have to pull the clutch and press the shifter down. You have to remember that first gear is down, second gear is up, third gear is up, and fourth and fifth and sixth are all up. And you have to remember to pull the clutch every time you shift. And neutral. Neutral is between first and second gear. So if you're in first gear, yeah, I am now. The first click up is neutral. The second click up is second gear. So yeah, let's just go ahead and try that out. Put it in neutral. Put the kickstart out. Kick it. Pull the clutch back. Press the shifter down. First gear. And slowly start releasing the clutch and giving it a bit of power. And then again, pull the clutch, shift up, 2 clicks, second gear. Pull the clutch, shift up, third. And fourth. And fifth. And sixth. What you don't want to do is this. If you let go of the clutch too fast, if you don't slip it, you will just stall the bike like this. Now you see. And if you just release the clutch like this and give it power, then you'll either pop a wheelie or flip the bike. For a beginner, in both cases, that probably means a crash. So yeah, this is my video on how to ride a motorcycle with a clutch. And thank you for watching. Check out my other videos. Subscribe, like, comment. You know how it goes. So yeah, I'll see you later. Bye bye.